Who paid more in tax last year? You or the company behind this multi-billion-dollar coal mine? This is the Carmichael coal mine in Queensland. It's run by an Indian conglomerate named Adani. And yes, they've paid zero corporate tax on it, and experts say they may never pay a cent. So how does that happen? Well, let's go back to 2010. Julia Gillard becomes the first female prime minister. Shakira has a screaming waka waka. And Adani is proposing a project to extract up to 60 million tons of coal a year for 150 years, promising 10,000 jobs and $22 billion in taxes and royalties. So, Jonathan, what happens next?
It started to get whittled away. The tons coming out of the mine, the projections started to decrease. The amount of jobs that were going to be produced started to decrease.
Adani have paid royalties though, obligatory fees made to governments to extract state-owned minerals, and there's no suggestion that they've acted illegally. This is what Adani had to say, noting their payments in GST, payroll tax, and superannuation.
Despite, for consecutive years, generating more than $1 billion in annual revenue, they dialed down this revenue to take into account all of the costs. And what happened was once those costs were included in the figures, they actually made on paper a net loss. And what happens when you make a loss is you don't need to pay tax.
Zero corporate tax and no sign of it ever being paid. Unfair or just smart business?